Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying access and data. Do not wander through menus. Ensure your account has the required role and module permissions, and prepare a clean CSV export for leads or contacts. Once done, back up the current database to avoid rollback issues. Next, log into Vtiger and go straight to Settings, then CRM Settings, then Module Manager to confirm modules are active. This gets you into the system quickly, so you can import and map data accurately without wasting time on trivial setup. Now you execute the core process: import and configure. Open the import wizard, upload your CSV, and map each header to the correct Vtiger field. Validate with sample rows to catch mismatches. Once validated, create workflows and assignment rules so records route automatically to owners, and set email templates for follow-ups. Make sure to add custom fields and adjust related lists on accounts, contacts, and leads so users see critical info. Finally, save and test with a small batch to confirm the logic runs as expected. You complete the rollout by testing and training. Perform an end-to-end test. Create a record, confirm the workflow triggers, verify assigned owner gets the email, and check activity history. This proves the flow. Next, train users with a focused 15 to 30-minute demo and hand out a one-page reference. If something breaks, inspect the import logs, verify field mappings and user permissions, and review cron and email settings. As a last resort, revert to your backup. Otherwise, adjust mappings and rerun the small import to fix issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.